I think it's like really harmful to say, oh, you're a woman, you must be small, you must be skinny, you must never age, you must do so much work in the household, and you must not earn real money. And also you have to shave all the time. And you have to put on makeup, but like not too much. So the fact that I went viral for doing nothing, it just shows us that women's bodies are not our private property, they're public domain. We just live in a world that if you don't follow these gender rules 100%, people just freak out. It's because they're very limited options as to how women should look, and we kind of have to fit into this small box. And if we don't fit into it, it does get a lot of negative attention. And then as a woman, you're being disciplined if you just wake up and walk out of the door. I also sometimes receive comments that are like, shave it. And I think it's so weird because it's this like random dude somewhere sending me a 2-word message telling me what to do. I also do get messages from men that tell me what they prefer, and I don't really care about what they prefer. But just the idea that so many men think that I, as a stranger, care about what they would prefer me to do. It just shows us the entitlement. And it just tells us how misogynistic our world is. It's hard for individuals to change, but if you don't, who else is gonna do it?